Hey guys, for science, I am going to go over this would have been your science test. So if you haven't done this yet, go ahead and do it. And then you can play this video and then we can compare our answers and you can see if you got your answers right. So if you haven't done it yet, go ahead and stop and then do it. So at the top, you're going to color only the living organisms. At the bottom, you're going to color the non-living organisms. And then when you're finished with that, you can play this video and see if you got them correct. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the top where it says to color only the living organisms. Now, since I'm on my computer, I'm not going to color the pictures in. I'm just going to circle them. And it's up to you guys if you want to color or circle. But I'm going to circle at the top the living organisms. So the first picture is a picture of a bird. Is a bird living? Yes, we know all animals are living. So I'm going to circle the bird. All right, the next picture, do you guys know what kind of coin this is? This is the coin that is worth 5 cents. This is a picture of a nickel. Now, a nickel is a piece of metal. It's a piece of money that we use. Now, this does have a picture of a man on it, but a nickel has never been alive. Okay, so a nickel is not a living thing, so we're not going to do anything with that. Okay, the next picture is a picture of a girl. A girl is a human, and humans are living. So we are going to circle the picture of the girl. All right, the next picture, books. Though books might have stories about things that are alive and living, books are not living things. Although we could get into a whole conversation about that because they have paper in them. But for this activity, we're just going to leave that be there. All right, the next picture is a picture of a tree. A tree is a plant, and we know that plants are living, so we are going to circle that. All right, the next one is a jack-in-the-box. A jack-in-the-box is a toy. So toys are not living. We're going to skip over it and go to the fish. A fish is an animal that swims in the water, and we know animals are living things, so we're going to circle that fish. Moving on to the pencil. A pencil is something that you write with. It is not a living thing. It's never been alive. Okay, moving to the block. A block is a toy. It is not a living thing. Moving on to the pig. A pig is an animal. Animals are living. We're going to circle that or color it. Then we have a flower. A flower is a plant. Plants are living. We're going to circle that. And then a ball is a toy, and that is not living. So at the top, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 living things. We have a bird, a girl, a tree, a fish, a pig, and a flower. Now at the bottom, it says to color only the non-living organisms or things. So we are not going to circle or color the things that are living. We're only going to circle the things that are non-living. So the first picture that we see is a picture of a vine, which is a kind of plant. And we know plants are living, so we're not going to do anything with this here. The next picture is a picture of a robot. A robot is a kind of toy. And toys are non-living things, so I'm going to circle the robot down here. And you can see I've changed colors. I'm using red for the bottom for non-living. Then we have a picture of an ice skate. An ice skate is not a living thing, so we are going to circle the ice skate. Then moving on, we have a teddy bear. A teddy bear is a stuffed animal. A teddy bear, not a real animal, it's a stuffed animal, so I'm going to circle it because it is not a living thing. Next picture is a rocking horse. Again, another toy, so I'm going to circle it. It is not a living thing. Now, if that was a real horse, we wouldn't be circling it because horses are living. But a rocking horse is just a toy. All right, a lion. We know it's an animal, so we're not going to circle it because lions are living. And then we have a top. A top is a toy. It is not living, so I'm going to circle that. We have this plant here. Plants are living, so we are not going to circle the plant. And then last, we have a guitar. A guitar is a musical instrument, which is not a living thing, and we are going to circle that. So at the bottom are non-living things that we colored or circled. We circled a robot, an ice skate, a teddy bear, a rocking horse, a top, and a guitar. So if you got all of those correct, I am very proud of you because that means that you were really paying attention this week. If you missed a couple, that's fine. Just try to discuss why you missed it and why it either made it a living or a non-living thing. Now on the back, as an extension, I want you guys to draw one living thing and one non-living thing. Try to think of things that were not listed on this paper. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. I miss you. Bye.